In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse fly on a cable machine. So let's imagine you've never used the cable machine, you're looking to work the muscles of your upper back. Now, the first thing that you want to do is find the right attachment and get the cable machine in the right settings. So the attachment you're looking for is what's called a single handle attachment. You'll notice right at the top here, it's got a little hole, and that is what's going to go into the carabiner. So I'm going to open up the carabiner of the cable machine, fasten that attachment in, and now it's ready to go. I've got the other one already set up on the other side. Now let's say, for example, I need to get this down. On the opposing side to the camera, what you can't see is there's a little pin mechanism. I'm going to pop that out, and now I can slide this down, and you'll hear it bolt in like so. Now what I'm going to do is select the appropriate weight. So if you've never done this before, start off with the lightest possible weight, get used to the technique and the form of the exercise, and then progressively put the weight up from there. So once you've set the weights by popping the pin out on the cable machine and selecting your chosen weight, you're then going to have your hands across your body. So notice here how the left cable attachment is in my right hand, the right cable attachment is in my left hand, and from here I'm going to have my feet hip width apart. I've got my palms facing each other, and then from here bum comes back, so glutes to the back of the room, nice straight back looking up, and what I'm going to do is come directly up away from my body. When I'm doing my repetitions, I'm trying to squeeze my shoulder blades at all points, and I'm trying to control the motion on the way down as well as the way up. You can even do a little pause at the top if you want to really contract and engage the muscles of the upper back. And it's all about trying to squeeze those shoulder blades as much as you can during the motion. Once you're done, you're going to stand up, pop both sides back where they are, and of course you repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. If you don't have these attachments, you can do exactly the same thing without any attachment whatsoever. So if your gym doesn't have the single handle attachment, or maybe you've got a cable machine and you haven't bought them yet, if you take a little look just here, so where the carabiner's fastened into, we could do exactly the same movement just by holding on to this part of the cable here, and we can then do exactly the same exercise as well. So plan B, if you don't have the attachments, try it that way. Either way, you're going to work the same target muscle group, and that is how you do a reverse fly on a cable machine.